In this video, I'll show you how to change the sleep settings on your Mac Mini M4. So let's get started. First step is to click on the Apple logo on the top left corner, then select System Settings. This is the main menu, main settings of your Mac Mini. So over here, we need to go and select on the left side Energy Saver. Because on the top here, we have Prevent Automatic Sleeping when the display is off. So when you shut down the display, probably with a button, well, you don't want the Mac Mini necessarily to go to sleep. If you don't want this to happen, enable this. Over here, you also have this option, Start Up Automatically After Power Failure. I encourage you to turn this on as well. If let's say you were working on something or downloading something and the power cuts, well, and maybe you're sleeping, you won't be able to turn on your computer. Maybe you're not even at home. So that's quite handy. This way the computer starts again afterwards. But overall on the Mac Mini M4, these are the only settings that you have access. On the MacBook you have more than this, since the screen is integrated and you have a battery also, but since the Mac Mini has none of these, this is what we have access. So thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, subscribe and comment down below.